We have been focusing a lot on selling the car, but shifting that focus to actually selling the next day after the person has bought the car. That's the key to the future, and that each day with the consumer is actually a day of selling, our promise. Volvo Cars is here for consumers to provide freedom to move in a personal, sustainable and safe way. And freedom to move is really to make customers feel that they can get mobility without having to worry. We need to shift our focus towards the consumer, even if our cars comes with that, obviously. As a CX function, but also as a company, we want to make customers fall and stay in love with Volvo Cars. We want them to say more than just, we think Volvo is great or good. We want them to say, I love Volvo. And not just the car, but actually the brand as a whole. To deliver on that, we are on a mission to build direct consumer relationships through delivering experiences that are personal, effortless and respectful. The entire automotive industry has a gap when it comes to feedback. We've been way too much focused on surveys, and we need to expand that scope to listen and then integrate that entire feedback basically into the same pool of understanding. Looking at an experience across multiple channels will help us to understand what the consumer is actually experiencing in the end. The One Voice platform is basically taking a lot of different platforms that existed before and a lot of different surveys and a lot of different strategies around how to collect feedback, and saying that it's one structure, it's one strategy, it's one platform, because in the end it's one consumer voice. With direct relationship with consumers comes direct feedback, and with that comes direct responsibility also. We listen so that we can improve. We want to be innovative, we want to push the boundaries. So that's something that I think Medallia and we will learn a lot about, like how do we as an automotive company still become more of a relationship service company. And in the end, if we understand what our consumers are doing and thinking, then it will be much easier to serve them better.